So we're trying our best here, people. It is a leap year. It is February 29th. Oh, we got something, guys. What the heck is this? What is this? Is this a Super Stampede? Oh, we got the Super Stampede. We got the Super Stampede, I think. Oh, we got the Super Stampede. It's gonna cover, oh. Hello, friends. We are here, Red Rock Casino. As you can see, beautiful entrance, beautiful chandeliers, beautiful Buffalo Ascension. We saw the thing was all the way at the top next to the Super Stampede. Of course, it is an epic goal of ours to hit that Super Stampede on some kind of denomination. And donkeys are friends with buffaloes, right? That's what I hear. So here is $100. Enter credits we have, and let's start, because we checked and the $1 bet has the highest thing. It's already at the Super Stampede, so it just needs to pop. Of course, it's kind of like the fake like firecrackers and Baozu Zaofu. Oh my goodness, what is that? Where it shows kind of like it's full but it's not. It doesn't matter if it's full, I should say. So it's kind of like at the very, very top, but we had to try. If we get some more situations over here, that would be nice. To make it go to the top. No 10s there. Oh, 2 coins. One more in the last reel. One more in the last reel. I asked for it in the last reel. I didn't ask for it in the 4th reel. Oh, there was the one more. Okay. We need something else there. We don't need that coin. So $1 bet was here, and then we saw, so $2 bet was here. Someone had something fun over there, of course. $3 bet was here. $4 bet was here. And the $5 bet was here. Now we tried to hit 1 cent to see if we could go up to a different denomination, but it did not let us. So we were like, okay, this is at the top. This could just be the actual gimmick that it's trying to do and get us to spend money on a thing that's perceived to be like ready to pop or go off, but who knows, it's fun. It's Buffalo. We're back. Buffaloes and donkeys. And we're trying to achieve greatness. The 3 coins is like as a bonus symbol. Oh, sorry, it's a bonus scatter. And then there were some arrows that just flew by. So we need 3 of those for a bonus. And we need the arrows to take us to the top of the Empire State Building up there. Yeah, it's left to right, exactly, still. So it's you can see the things right here. 2,600 ways, 1,200 ways, etc., etc. Oh, 2 more? No more. Oh, that would have been good in the bonus round with, you know, what we needed there. Okay, we're trying our hardest. 2 more. 1 more in the last. Oh, I went by. You silly Buffalo. We're friends, Mr. Buffalo. Oh, no. Too little, too late. Again. Thank you for the 50 cents. 1 Buffalo and 1 sunset. That guy's been going absolutely nuts. I've been hearing him scream. I thought he hit a grand jackpot, but I think he's playing craps, which is still fun, I guess. He was going crazy. It's the leap year. It's February 29th, 2024. I forgot to say that. That's why we're here, to see if we can have some good luck. And why not have some good luck together? Oh, 1 more. Come on, we have so many chances for 1 more. Bam.
I said
green. Oh, come on. Now we have another chance. Come on. That middle reel is what we want to. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. We like it. Wifey likes it. We all like it. Buffalo Ascension bonus round. So we won 8 free games, and that's pretty much just a standard Buffalo game. We can get the arrows in the bonus round, which is awesome. Yeah, there's like a beautiful arrow. Hopefully we see a lot of them. We can show you right now. Oh my goodness, where's reel 2? It is going to be one of those. 1 more coin. This may be one of those infamous Buffalo bonus rounds that we all know about. A $1 bonus round on a $1 bet. It would be very fitting. You can't do this to us, Buffalo. Mr. Handpay Fast. Okay, Mr. Handpay, thank you for that. He taught us to do a fast spin on the last one. Mr. Handpaid the legend. Oh, one more. Okay, there we go. It's just, so now it's at the bottom right there. So we have 8 of 18 games now. Come on, give us something good here. Arrow in the middle. Oh, one more. All right. One more would be nice. We've got, yeah, 2 goals. 3 means 8. And we've had 12 spins with not one line hit. What is happening here? Is that our first line hit for like 12 cents? One more, come on. Goodness gracious, everyone. What is going on? This 10s at least? Oh my God. Oh, come on. So we want to get Buffalo, sunset. You know, then we can ride off into the sunset as millionaires. One more coin. One more fast spin. The fast spins, Mr. Handpay, come on. Okay, I know I don't really love fast spinning too, but sometimes you gotta do it. And if the legend himself, Mr. Handpay, says to do it, you gotta do it sometimes, okay? I'm just listening to the master. But I don't know if all that work we're doing is gonna really matter because we're getting nothing out of this so far. It's definitely buffaloing us. Oh, one more, okay. One more though. One more. Absolute blockers though. We would rather have had the Buffalo and the Buffalo, I think, than this. Is that Jax? Jax. We would rather had, I think, Buffalo, obviously, in that exact sequence. So 8 more spins. Oh, come on. Oh, one more Buffalo would have been so, or anything. One more Buffalo would have been huge. That is incredible. Incredible. I haven't seen one arrow either. One more of these though, that'd be nice. Oh, sunsets. Oh, where's the 10 over there? Man. Okay, Mr. Handpay, I might have to channel you again, Mr. Handpay. Oh, do I need to or not? Oh, I already have it up there. I didn't need to channel him. I didn't even look up there. I'm blind, everyone. But this is 31 spins and only $17 won, so. Oh my gosh, where were you in the second one, Mr. Buffalo? Oh. All right, let's do a fast spin right now. Okay. Okay, we got that out of our system. It may have ruined us. One more, Mr. Handpay, come on. You've taught us so much and we already did pretty well, so to get up to 38 spins. Oh, one more? Okay, nope. Strong finish, come on. Let's at least see one arrow on any of the reels. 2x of what? Eagles. Buffalo. That's the epitome of Buffalo, and the way it says it after is almost feels like it's patronizing us. You're patronizing us, Mr. Buffalo. Oh? We didn't see any arrows to go up to the top. Not even one. I mean, on the smaller bets, you're more likely to not see them. Oh, okay, there we go. Where was that in the bonus round? Come on. All right. If that was in the bonus round, that would be like many, many dollars. So far, 36x, that's pretty good. If that was in the bonus round, it would have been like, yeah, multiples of that. Oh, nope. Two more? No more. Some lovely kings for 65 cents. Come on, you know where we want to go. Did you guys hear him again in the back? He was going crazy. He's playing blackjack or something. Oh, there's one arrow at least. So now you see what it looks like, right?
So you have to play $100 for one arrow?
Yeah, you have to pay $100 for one arrow, which is absolutely true. And not even the right arrow. I mean, I don't even know if an arrow would take us to the top over there, would it? Will you take us to infinity, Mr. Buffalo? We're being friends here. We're trying to channel our energy, our similarities between donkeys and the buffalo. So many tens. What was it saying earlier? Two more, por favor. Dos Equis. Oh, two more, por favor? No more. $1 back. The jackpot looks pretty nice up there. And, oh, two more? No more. Oh, no. That doesn't at least be $1 back. Two more? One more on the last reel. Shebang. You silly buffalo. There's the one. Oh, try again. It passed by, and it passed by. No one likes you. No one likes you, you big mangy buffalo. Actually, I love you. You're so cute. You're so pretty and majestic and strong. And look at that sunset in the background of the. Is that Utah? Is that the Grand Canyon in the back? Where is that? It's beautiful. I keep getting so many tens, but none on the. Oh, no. So she wants me to put in this 70-cent ticket. Is it to change the RNG? Is it to get it out of her hand? Is it to get almost one free bet? No one knows, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try my hardest. You gotta listen to wifey. 2 is not 3. 2 would have been kind of like 3 in the bonus round. Oh, no. So many 10s again. Oh, no. No one likes you 9s. No one likes you 9s. No one likes you 9s. Oh? No. Oh, an arrow. Let there be an arrow. So we want the Super Stampede, obviously. That's the one. I mean, probably not. I mean, the likelihood is no, right? Oh, is it going to go up again if you get another arrow? You're saying, right? It's like those. Oh, where's the buffalo there? It's like those things when the firecrackers are filled up to the top. It doesn't mean it's going to pop. Even if you get a firecracker when it's filled up to the top, it doesn't go, right? So it's kind of like that. Wow. I thought we should have sat at Mo Mummy. We'll sit at Mo Mummy after, maybe. No way. Yeah, Mo Mummy is no money for us usually, but sometimes for others, it's many monies. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's just like one of those things I told you, if it pops or if it doesn't. You can get it more frequently, I think, in the bonus rounds though. So we're trying our best here, people. It is a leap year. It is February 29th. Oh, we got something, guys. What the heck is this? What is this? Is this a Super Stampede? Oh, we got the Super Stampede. We got the Super Stampede, I think. Oh, we got the Super Stampede. It's gonna cover. Oh, keep it coming. Keep it coming. More sunsets. Cover it. Oh my God, more on the last. Come on. Super Stampede. Come on. Oh, more on the end. What is that? Why that's so small? That's what it means. It means 30. It's so crazy because they all kept coming and the first stampede, it refilled everything with buffaloes, and then, yeah, so did I. But no, I think we did get that was the Super Stampede, right? It must have been.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so we appreciate it. Thank you, Buffalo, but Look how fast it went. It's like a hummingbird's wings. But that was crazy because they kept coming down. I don't know, in the comments, can you let me know if you're betting bigger, if they are supposed to fill up the whole screen? Because they came down 3 times. They were like, boom, boom, boom. We saw this one come down so many times, but it didn't fill up this back end over here for some reason.
Wow.
So yeah, that was cool. Sunset too, I don't know. Okay, so now that was the Super Stampede, okay. So now we can feel satisfied that we hit it. Oh, Buffalo on the first one, come on now.
Now the arrow's down.
Yeah, now the arrow's down. So it was the Super Stampede, obviously. Like, it's our first time playing it, obviously, so we just want to check it out for the channel, for all of us to have fun the first time, and it was a lot of fun, I'll tell you that. But I wonder if it was like on a huge bet, what would it have been? And it was crazy. So someone let me know in the comments, when it comes down, the Stampede ran through 3 times and it only filled things up once. It was just that very first time that it filled anything else on. So that was crazy, that was fun. Oh?
It's because of my 70 cent.
It might have been because of your 70-cent deposit, you're right. That was exactly what we needed to win. Oh, 2 more? No more. 2 total. Oh. So we'll play this to, I don't know if it wants, see if it wants to do anything else. Or is it gonna try to Buffalo?
Oh, so you have to get 2 more arrows, that's kind of...
2 more, but then when you get to the top, it doesn't necessarily make it, just randomly trigger. Like it randomly triggered right there and we got the Super Stampede, which was absolutely lovely, but it didn't like signify, or was it? I'll rewind the tape. I don't know if there was an arrow there. We'll play it. It came out of nowhere, right? There was no arrow, right? I'll play it at 150. We'll try to get it. We're trying our best to get to another bonus round, or see if there's anything left on $1 denom or $1 bets. We're trying our absolute best here. This is a leap year. This is February 29th. Last time this happened was 4 years ago, right? So trying to see if it's a lucky day at Red Rock in Las Vegas. Whoops. Some beautiful elk. Oh, 2 more. Uno más. Boom. Sorry, I got very excited there. Oh.
Okay.
He knows that, exactly. He knows we want to leave. The donkeys and buffaloes get along though. It's a tale as old as time. The donkeys and buffaloes are good friends. Oh? The donkeys and the buffaloes. That was really fun though to hit that. There was one sunset in there. I thought we were gonna fill up the whole page, honestly. It was 90x, which was awesome. But like, I thought it was gonna fill up the whole page. What was that? When he came down, if he came down once and we're okay, cool, that's what he did. But he kept coming down and kept just like leaving all those other places empty. And no one knows why. Actually, if somebody does know why, please tell us. We'd like to know for closure. We're gonna leave a winner anyway, and we love you, Buffalo, but maybe the CEO of Aristocrat can tell me. Okay, so we've tried our hardest. We got a Super Stampede. Oh, and we have a chance. When it passes by on like the, when it's winding down, it's pain. Yeah, okay, so we know what Buffalo's trying to do. We had our fun, we hit a Super Stampede, and we won some money, and we got to check out this cool new feature on this lovely game on this February 29th leap year day thingy. So thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.